Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Motive English, and this is my day 4th of 7 day speaking challenge. In this video I am going to talk about a very important topic. So first of all I want to ask a question from you, so please let me know in the comment box. So my question is, what do you think that English is just a language or more than that? So please let me know in the comment box, what do you think on this? So in my opinion, if we see in a narrow perspective, then definitely English is a language only. But when we see in a broader perspective, then I think that English is not only a language, it is a broader thing. It gives you a multiple opportunity to grow in your career. These days, as I already told you in previous video, that English is not a optional, it is essential and it is compulsory part of our life. If we want to grow, if we want to do better in our career, definitely we need to a good command on it. So we have to learn this language for our better career. So this is what I am thinking on this, because there are lots of any other languages are there, but we still try to learn this language. Why? This thing tells us that how much importance English has. And these days, no doubt, English is a global language, and we need to learn this language not only for our career, but we know better surroundings. English is a global language, and everyone know this language. And if we know this language, then we feel confident and we looks confident, and at least we can speak anyone. English is a language that can speak everyone, and if we know this language, it means we can speak with anybody. Because if we talk about in India, then definitely they everyone don't know the Hindi language, but everyone know the English language. I'm not telling that everyone know, but most of the people who know English, and they can understand the English. And as I told you that English is a global language, and all the document works, and if you are working professional, then of course you know how importance English has. And if we are working in the MNC or corporate sector, and uh, if we are student, so we have to knowledge about this language. If we are student, if we are preparing for the any competitive examination, still English are there and we need to cover. But there we need to cover as a subject, not a language. We need to cover a subject. We consider as a subject, English is a subject, but in the spoken we need to work on it. We need to practice of speaking English, and then we can speak in this language in a better way. So in my opinion, English gives you many opportunity to grow in your career. We see many people in our life, they miss the opportunity because of lacking this skills. This English language, because they don't know how to speak in this language. That's why they miss the opportunity to do better in their life and in their career. Many of people, there are multiple examples are there, because they they think and they don't know how to speak, how to communicate with the other person. Because in the corporate sector and in the MNC, we need to do better every day. If we want to get promotion, if we want to promoted, then of course we need to do good in your field. And English gives you that opportunity to do better in your career, in your field, you can say. So English is not a language, it gives you multiple things. If you consider it is a language, it's only up to you. But we see multiple YouTuber, like we can take example of YouTuber. There are lots of YouTuber, they are not only learn this language, but they can earn from it. They are earning from it. So it is not only language. I mean, there are other language, but most of us still trying to learn this language. Why? There are lots of other languages. Why we not try to learn those languages? Even 95% people only wants to learn English language, and only 2 to 5% people maybe they want to learn other language. But the first priority of their is English language. After knowing this language, after to become a fluent in this language, maybe they want to learn another language. But the first priority is everyone is English. Everyone wants to speak in this language. So it tells us that how much importance English in these days. So English is not a subject. Please consider as a skills you can say, because it gives you multiple things in your life. If you know these skills, if you know English language, definitely you can better. I am not telling you that if you don't know, then it means you are not able to do better in your life. But if you know this language, it means icing on the cake.